happy birthday! So ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Everybody sing! Happy birthday to you! There you go! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Alright, now so get ready everyone. Put your hands up in the air. Happy birthday! Walang kumakanta! Yung mas malakas! Happy birthday! And last one! Happy birthday! Hindi ko kayo marinig! Yung pinakamalakas! Alright, now thank you so much everyone. Ready? May count of 3, sabay-sabay natin isigaw. Happy birthday, Kian Lyle. So ready? 1, 2, 3, sigaw! Alright, now Kuya Kian Lyle, you may blow your candles. So ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Happy birthday, Kian! Only here at Jollibee. SM before double team. Wala na malaman. What is her birthday? For your birthday ngayon, 7 years old na siya.
Sinanay Gina lang si Emma.
Palakpakan naman nating lahat, si Daddy. Alright, sa isang makabagbag ng daming birthday wish for our birthday celebrator na si Kian Lyle. Of course, now, Jollibee, alam ko ikaw na nagda kanina pwede ba birthday wishes for Kian Lyle. Ikaw, Jollibee, ilan ba ang inihanda mong birthday wishes? You have 3 birthday wishes for Kuya Kian. Okay, so for your first wish, Jollibee, sana daw, ayan siya, Jollibee, ako po. Alright, sana daw po si Kian Lyle lumaking batang magasalan, God-fearing at may pananalig sa Diyos. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee, okay? Alright, our second wish, Jollibee, sana daw po si Kuya Kian Lyle lumaking batang matalino, guwapo at macho-macho. Tulad din na Jollibee, tulad din Daddy. Pero hindi niya narinig, ano? Guwapo na, macho na. Okay, alright, so for our third and final wish, Jollibee, sana daw po, sino si Daddy? Ay, hindi ko si Kuya. Okay, sana po si Kian dahil ay na maging bata. Always be happy. Palaging masaya tulad ni Jollibee at nating lahat. So, palakpakan naman po natin lahat si Jollibee for the wonderful wishes. Alright, Jollibee now today's 7th birthday morning queen ni Kuya Kian Lai. Ibigay mo na yung inendang regalo for him. Ayan, Daddy Aris and Kuya Kian Lai. Tanggapin niyo po token of appreciation galing kay Jollibee. Ang aming Jollibee. Hindi yan. Kanila yan. Alright, ito na token of appreciation galing kay Jollibee. Ang aming Jollibee. Upo ba? Hindi makakami sila niyan. Okay, picture pa. Alright, ito na talaga. Token of appreciation galing kay Jollibee. Ang aming Jollibee. Bolster Pillow! Sayang wala na show si Didi, no? Pwede ka ng dancer doon, eh. Alright, ibigay mo na yan. Ibigay mo na yan. Saan mo tatawin? Ito, si Kuya Kian, no? Alright. Okay, so now, happy birthday, Kian. And then now, picture taking souvenir na po together with our best friend, Jollibee. Para po sa may mga gusto ng picture together with Jollibee, grabe yung chance mo. Habang